Hello and welcome one more time to English in Pixels, a podcast made for the future English speakers. I am Mr.Martinez and today we will continue with our short sound journey. Today we will practice again with the short sound of the letter I, this time combined with the letters N, G, T, and X. First, let's remember the short sound of the letter I. The letter I, the short sound of the letter I, is the one we will find in words such as pen or kid, I. The sound of the letter G, in this case, we will practice with the hard sound of the letter G, 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 and we will find these sounds in words such as gate. Then the sound of the letter T, a voiceless plosive sound, is the same sound we will find in words such as tomato. The sound of the letter X is a funny sound and we will find it in words such as six. So, with no further ado, let's practice with the words. So please, first we will start with words that contain the short sound of the letter I with the letter combined with the letter N. Please repeat after me. Pin. Fin. Tin. Win. Very good. Then let's practice with words that contain the sound of the short I combined with the hard sound of the letter G. Please repeat after me. Pig. Big. Dig. Wig. Perfect. Next, we will practice with words that contain the combination of the sound of the short I and the letter T. Please repeat after me. Sit. Fit. Hit. Bit. Perfect. Finally, let's practice with some words that contain the short sound of the letter I and the letter X. Please repeat after me. Six. Fix. Mix. Excellent. As usual, let's continue with some phrases. First, I will try to pronounce a word at a slow pace and then I will pronounce it at a conversational speed. Try to pronounce a word or repeat the word in both scenarios. So please, repeat after me. The big wig. The big wig. Perfect. The next phrase is the big wing. The big win. Excellent. The third phrase is a little bit longer. Please repeat after me. Did it fix the tin? Did it fix the tin? Perfect. Well, that's it for this episode. Remember that you can listen to this episode as many times as you deem necessary for practice. If you like what you heard, please like, share, and subscribe. If you didn't like what you heard, I thank you for listening this long, and I hope to see you in the next episode.